What's up, everyone? Spectra, FOTL, 2-box 3. And then we're going to do number 4 is hitting. The Kill and Select Mixer. What is it, Mrs. Esplez? Let me see. Because that's next.
271.
240. 240. Good luck, people. One more of these for today, and I'll add some more after. One more of these today, and I'll add more later. Good luck. Take your 1-in-1s. Ant-Man rookie. Nice. Who's getting it? Kevin Garnett. Celestial for Adam Leonard. Nice. Celestial to 25. And then a Hero Silver. One of 35. RPA Astral. Manu in the kill gets a Tillman on card. Then Celestial base of 48. All right, guess the last auto of the break for 16. The last. It's a quick break. There's the Artist Gilmore for the Signatures base. Ginobili to 99. And then Interstellar of Westbrook. Should have the exclusive. It does, but it's me. It does, but it's me. Blue Wave of Campazzo. Annoying. Celestial of Ramsey. Oh, we're due for a big exclusive. We haven't had a big exclusive in this case. Nice. Ooh, gold auto of Dennis Rodman. Signatures gold. Nice piece. Silver of Anthony Davis. And then Sam Perkins, Celestial. Signatures Celestial. And then Celestial of Kyrie. Chris Mullin. Signatures Astral. Woody. And then Celestial of Kyrie. Oh, Meta. Meta of Kyrie. Base Meta. Take the next one, guys. Take your 4s. Take your 4s. Come on. Maxi rookie. Come on. It is Blue Wave of Isaiah Stewart. Come on. Where are the golds? And Interstellar of Garland. Take the next one. Take your exclusives in the next one. We're due for a big exclusive, honestly. We're due for a big exclusive. Next one's hitting. Someone take the dual auto and Immaculate Basketball. I feel a big duel. The case yesterday was insane. It was just the wrong players. Nice Rodman.